Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm just taking you on a small little walk in this place that's just a few minutes from where we live. It's called Lower Cove, Nova Scotia. It's a beautiful beach. There's Laura. Hi, and Fred's over there doing a little jig and dance and everything like that. And I just want to turn you around and show you how beautiful this place is. I wanted to share it with you. There's Fred. Hi. And this place is just gorgeous. It is after 7 right now, probably getting close to 7:30. Tide has been out, but it's starting to come in now. And it's just gorgeous here. Imagine just living right here. And it's warm, the air is warm. And absolutely beautiful. Right there.
Yeah, gorgeous, yeah, really nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna go for a walk. And see if we can find any special rocks, special glass. Laura, you got the bare footies?
Yeah, not for free.
I don't have sandals or anything like that. Not ones I can wear down here, but I hope it's not too windy and you can hear me okay. It's absolutely stunning here. I love those rocks. They're so beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so peaceful here and it's warm. It's really beautiful. And hazy. It's really warm last few days and this is a nice way to cool off. Yeah, and this is just a few minutes from where we live. I found a piece. Like, there's not many people here at all. It's just perfect. It's a really old boat right up there. I shouldn't say it's old. Probably someone's still using it. It's lovely. So peaceful. Just gorgeous. For those of you who don't know about this area, here in this part of Nova Scotia has been the most fossils ever found, you know, from anywhere, especially over in Joggins, which is over that way, the cliffs right over there. There's a fossil center over there where you can discover all kinds of fossils and the way the trees looked way back then. It's very, very cool. It's worth checking out if you're ever in the area. So yeah, and it's all free to us because we live in the area, which is really nice. We have been there once so far this year, and I got some shells. No, I didn't. I got some stones and everything like that. You can buy all kinds of things there. It's pretty neat. But yeah, I just want to let you know, tell you about that. In case you guys were ever in the area, you come and visit this wonderful beach. And you never know, you might find a fossil. So I'm gonna keep walking around and see what we can find. These cliffs are so high. Beautiful. There's a beautiful spot to look off. Well, you can't get too close to the edge because of erosion, but there's, you know, it's a gorgeous view of all of this here. All of that behind me, Such a gorgeous, gorgeous view. I think this place is pretty well picked over for sea glass today, but you never know. We still might find an area yet. Like I said, the ocean's coming back in, and you just don't know what it's bringing with you. And as Laura recently Laura recently told me that the best time to find like sea glass and all kinds of interesting things is right after a storm. So, you having a good time, dear?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Are you?
She's a beach baby. She loves the beach.
I was born on the beach.
Yes, she's pretty much born on the beach.
That should have a clamshell.
Well, I don't know about that. So I'm just gonna do a little walking around and just enjoy the day before we have to head back. Fred's checking out that great big rock. You be careful now. It's huge. Well, before too long, this will be all underwater again. This is the other side of that long rock. Just as cool. You see all the different layers. Like a little cave in there. See all the shells on there? There's so many. These guys are all alive. They're everywhere. You can see where it's all eroding here. The trees and everything coming off there. Well, we're done our walk, and it was wonderful. It was really nice, and I am warm. I think we all got warmed up pretty good, but it was nice and cool. It's perfect temperature to take a walk around. So we're gonna drive a little bit, and I'll show you a little bit more of the scenery. We're at top of the cliff, and this is looking out. And we're going to go to another section and show you a little bit more. Okay, we're just going to go down this road. This is called Hard Scrabble Road, which has a bit of history itself if you ever want to look that up on the internet. We're going to be going right into the sun here, and I'll show you when I get to the top. Okay, this is at the top here, and I'm hoping that you'll still be able to see everything because the sun is going to be coming right directly at us. But we're going to come out into this opening here in a second, and the view is just stunning. We actually seen some little baby foxes up here, and if I can find a photo of the pictures we took the other day, a couple weeks ago I guess, I'll insert them here. front of us, if I can zoom in a little bit, is Joggins. That's the fossil center that I was telling you about, and that's where most of the fossils have been found throughout the world, I think.
Yeah.
And it's so interesting. If you're ever in Joggins, please check this place out. Put it on your bucket list because it won't disappoint. And here we are again, coming out on this side. And it's just amazing. Yes, this is the Joggins place right there. Lupins. There we go. Looks like it goes on forever. The grass is really high, so I can't really see it all that well, but right now. But yeah, you can go down there and look for all kinds of fossils, and they say if you find a fossil, just please leave it there, so the next person that comes along can enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this little walk around on the beach. What was it called again? Cove Road Beach? Or just Cove? Yeah. Lower Cove Road Beach? Lower Cove Beach? Something like that.
Yeah.
So it was really nice. It was our first time, my first time anyway. I don't know about Fred, but it was my first time walking down there. Pretty sure Laura's been down there before.
Yeah.
And it was really nice. I'm glad she convinced us to go out. So this is it for this video. I hope you enjoy it, and until next time, take care.